Hello, welcome to the Unique Physics Tutor. In today's class, we are going to look at the following simple problems in math. Convert the following numbers to standard form. A part of it, we have 0.00004567. Now here, look at these zeros. These zeros here up to this point are called leading zeros. They are called leading zeros. So whenever zeros are leading, they are not significant. So you will ignore these zeros. They are not significant. Why from 4 to 7, they are significant. From 4 to 7, they are what? Significant. So what do we do then? We have to come to this 4, which is a significant. That's the first significant number we have. This is the first significant number we have. 5 is the second significant figure we have. 6 is the third significant figure we have. And 7 is the fourth significant figure we have. So we come to the first significant figure we have, which is 4. Then we write 4. Then you put your point, a decimal point. Then you complete the remaining significant numbers, which are 5, 6, 7. Then you now write your times 10, then raise to power. You now come back to the leading zeros. Account how many leading zeros you have. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. That means it is what? Negative 5. Then why do we have it as negative 5? We have it as negative 5 because they are leading zeros and it contains decimal point. So this shows that they are what? Leading zeros and it contains decimal point. So the final answer is 4.567 times 10 raised to power negative 5. That is the answer of this question in standard form. Okay, let's look at the second question. These numbers, then how do we change it to standard form? First of all, let's check how many numbers we have in this figure. Let's check how many numbers we have in this figure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 numbers here, 14 digit numbers here in this figure. Now, how then do we change it to standard form? The first thing we need to know is to start from 2, because all these figures, all these digits here, they are all significant. Then we start with the first significant number, which is what? 2. So we write 2, then we put decimal point. Then we now write out the remaining digits. We write out the remaining digits because all of them are significant. We write out the remaining digits, which is we have 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 6. Then times 10 raised to power. Then we now look at here. 10 raised to power, what are we going to put here now? It's not going to be what? 10 raised to power 13. Because this is where our digits started. This is here our decimal point started. Then you now have to count the remaining numbers after the decimal point. After the decimal point. If you count it, it's not going to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's not going to be what? Raised to power 13. 10 raised to power 13. Here, we're not going to put negative 13 because there's no decimal number in this figure. There's no decimal number in our initial figure. So this becomes the answer to this question. Please, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you.